Every business has one explanation that keeps coming back. What exactly do you do? How does this work? What happens after we start? So you explain it on a call, you write it again in an email, you walk through it in a meeting, then repeat it for the next prospect. That holds while the audience is small. Then one conversation gets the full answer, the next gets a rushed one, and two people on your team emphasize different things. The fix isn't saying it better. It's building the cart that never changes once. The same order, the same emphasis, the same visuals, carrying what text can't. Then it travels. Your service page, the reply to an inquiry, a proposal, a presentation, an onboarding session. The context changes. The explanation doesn't. Your customer arrives already understanding, so the conversation starts where it matters. Bring us the explanation you give most often. Schedule a free 30-minute discovery call.